Hey guys, welcome back to another lesson. Let's just get started. We're starting off with the distributive property. Let's do number 1. So 2 plus 3x. So if you don't know, if something is in parentheses, that means, and there's nothing in front of it, that means it's being multiplied. So basically this is 2 times 2 plus 3x. So how do we solve this? Basically, 2 is being multiplied to this whole thing right here. But that doesn't really help us, so that's why we need to distribute. And we do this by multiplying first this term, 2 times 2, which is 4. Then we multiply this term, 3x. So 2 times 3x. 2 times 3x is just 6x. And the term with the greater amount of variables, I should say, always comes first. So this is correct, but it's always better to just write it like this, 6x plus 4. And this will be your answer. Let's try another example real fast. Let's try number 3. 4 times 3x minus 8. So we multiply like this. 4 times 3x is just 12x, since 4 times 3 equals 12. And then 4 times, not 8, 4 times negative 8, which is negative 32. And so this will be your answer. Alright. Moving on to the next part. Simplifying polynomial expressions. Let's just rewrite number 1 real quick. So we have 2x. Oh, by the way, this little caret symbol, it means like exponent to the power of. So 2x to the power of 3 plus 5x to the power of 2, in parentheses, minus, in parentheses, 12x plus 2x2. So basically, 1 plus 1, 1 and 1, they're like terms. So you can simplify them to make 2. X plus x, x plus x, these are like terms. You can simplify them to get 2x. But x plus 1, these are not like terms. You can't simplify this any further. Similarly, x to the power of 2, or x to the power of 3, plus x to the power of 2, plus x plus 1. These are all different terms because they have they're multiplied to a different power. This one is being multiplied to the power of 3, this one is being raised to the power of 2, this one is being raised to the power of 1, and then this one doesn't have any power at all. So, basically what I'm trying to say is, in this problem right here, you have to find the like terms. So 2x to the power of 3, are there any other terms, are there any other numbers or variables in the problem that are being raised to the power of 3? No. So we can't simplify that any further. But 5x to the power of 2, do we see any like terms? Yes. There's 2x to the power of 2 right here. They're both being raised to the power of 2. So we can simplify that. 5x, sorry, I'll get rid of all of this. This is looking a bit messy. So 2x to the power of 3, number 1 right here, plus 5x to the power of 2, and there's another like term right here, 2x to the power of 2. Both are being raised to the power of 2, but be careful. It's not 2x to the power of 2, it's negative 2x to the power of 2, because it's being subtracted right here. So minus 2x to the power of 2, and then minus, again, 12x, minus 12x. And these are like terms, because they're, again, I sound like a broken record. They're both being raised to the power of 2, so this would just be 3x to the power of 2. So 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 minus 12x. And that's as simplified as you can get. I think we can do like one more example real fast. So let's just do number 2 really quickly. 2x to the power of 5 plus 2x to the power of 3, and then minus 7x to the power of 3. And notice how both of these are being raised to the power of 3, so we can simplify them into negative 5x to the power of 3, since 2 minus 7 equals negative 5. And then we have 6x to the power of 2. So, 2x to the power of 5 minus 5x to the power of 3 plus 6x to the power of 2 is your final answer for number 2. Moving swiftly on, graph inequalities, pretty easy. Number 1, x is greater than 2. So 2 is right here. Make sure it's an open circle. And then x is greater than 2. So anything greater than 2, like this. Boom. And that's basically how you do it. And then, square roots. So number 6 right here, 25. Square root of 25. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Therefore, the square root of 25 equals 5. Number 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. Therefore, the square root of 49 equals 7. Do you see the pattern? So now, for number 1, square root of 0, what would this one be? Well, it's pretty simple. 0 times 0 equals 0. So the square root of 0 is just 0. So that's basically it. Pretty simple. So yeah. See you guys next week. Bye.